Hello everyone. Welcome to 1 week online student development program on AutoCAD tool for engineers. Myself Vishwas Palve, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhini College of Engineering and Technology, Vasai Road, Maharashtra. This course is organized to develop the software skills among the future engineers. Prerequisite for the course: basic knowledge of engineering graphics and drawing is required to complete this course. It is recommended that the student should have basic knowledge of Microsoft Windows XP or Microsoft Windows 10. Course objective: to familiarize the students with basics of AutoCAD software and its application in the field of engineering. Outcomes: students will be able to navigate the AutoCAD user interface, use the fundamental features of AutoCAD, use the precision drafting tools in AutoCAD to develop accurate technical drawings, present 2D and 3D drawings in detail and visualize impressive manner. This course is divided into 6 days. Each day will have some assignment, quizzes, activity. Day 1 will include Introduction to AutoCAD, 2 to AutoCAD 2021. This course is run on AutoCAD 2021. Settings for units and limits, use of function keys. Day 2: how to use draw toolbar, commands in modify toolbar, use of annotations and dimensions, how to use print plot toolbar. At the end of the day, there will be a quiz and assignment. Day 3, it will include introduction to layers, use of blocks and viewports, examples using layers, quiz 3 and assignment 2. Every student has to complete quiz and assignment to earn certificate. Day 4, introduction to orthographic drawing, example on orthographic projections, introduction to sectional orthography, AutoCAD for various fields of engineering. This video will give you detail about how the AutoCAD is useful for various fields of engineering. Day 5, settings for isometric drawing, example on isometric drawing with curved surface and without curved surface. Day 6, introduction to 3D, and this will be ending the course. At end of each day, there will be a quiz and assignment. Grading policy: to earn the certificate, student should complete minimum 40% of the task given to them. The assignment will include 30% of weightage, quizzes will include 50%, course journal 10%, and activities 5%. Assignment: to complete the assignment, AutoCAD software is required. Please note, those students who don't have AutoCAD software, still they can complete this course by completing the quizzes, course journal, and activity on time. Quizzes will be multiple choice questions. Course journal: this activity will be detailed explained by one of the faculty members. Activities: already activity 1 has been started. It was posting your video on Flipgrid, introducing yourself to your peer contestants. Thank you.